Hello everybody, my name is Pancake Gamer and today we'll be playing a DeadBolt full version of Steam. That's cool, yeah. Eric Knock. There you go. Die, little piece of shit. Yeah. I'm a pro. Oh shit. Babo Nelly. I forgot how to play this game because I didn't play actually I played that game actually 1 year ago, demo version. Why I throw it to them, to him, I guess. Jeez. Alright, I can't die. Bam, bam, bam. Ooh, sucks to be you, man. Sucks to be you. Really sucks to be you because you are fucked in the ass. Alright, bam. That doesn't make any sense, yeah. I shot him into the piece in oblivion, and he didn't came to me, and he didn't warn me. Hi. Get up. Bow, bow. Oh shit, that was close. I wasn't ready for that. I almost wasn't ready for that. Alright, this was a tutorial, I guess. Oh yeah, 5 stars. Okay, press E to continue. Okay. Alright, who's that guy? He was over here last demo in the demo version. I don't think so, but who's that guy or candle? He's a candle. Intermission. Alright, I don't fucking care. Get the hell out of my way. Alright. Let's go to this is a thing, alright, I guess, and play that. I love playing that mission, so I'm gonna play a 3 levels, and I'm gonna leave this, I guess. Oh, I remember you can explode guys in the toilet. Yeah, old school, baby. Oh shit. Come to me, little baby. Come. Yeah. Oh, freaking bastard. Hi. Sucks to be you. Sucks to be you. I'm a singer, man. Damn, son. Right. Bam. He didn't hurt me as last time. Bam, 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 bam. Damn. Alright. Sucks to be you. Hey, that guy was over here. What? Oh god. Sucks to be you, baby. Alright, let's go to the toilet and kill the nasty guy. Right, I have no ammo, so I got to shit. He saw me. Right. Bam! It sucks to be you, baby. That has a really good clocked in level first mission. I have this game on the oh shit. I don't know what to say, but what is this thing? Where's that handle guy? Alright, let's just go. Can I light it? No! I can light that. Fuck you! Ah, cool. Get your hands over there. Mission: the flame rose to life. The undead begin the crop strength powder from powders. Oh, drugs, I guess. From below, ignite the flame. Ignite inside. Eject their brains and see what it contains. What? A new drug called ash. Ash is a new drug? Oh, I don't knew that drug. His candles. Are you serious? His candles say that it makes you feel like you are alive again. I'm alive now. So I'm using ash now. I don't think so, but I don't know what is ash, bro. The flames. My employer want to know more. All right, no more. Bouncer, like a jumper. I don't know what's that, but there's a bouncer on the far side of this house. Yeah, I can kill him to get his weapon. Alright, let's just kill him. I'm like a SpongeBob, baby. What is that? Nuts! Are you biggest ass of hell, bro? Can't touch. Rolanda said no. Rolanda. From the wasabi. Rolanda. Alright, I'm not gonna. Oh, jeez. There are 2 men. 5 bullets. Alright. Oh, what the? I forgot how to shoot. Dang it. Alright, bam, bam. Alright, 1 shot and 1 opportunity. I needed 2 shots now. Sorry. Yes. Like an eagle. Switch the light. Oh shit. Bam. I don't mean to. Sorry. Bam. You can't see me. Oh shit. Oh shit. Shit. Die. Fucking piece of Come down. Get over here. Ha! I'm a beast. Piece of shit. Oh, I have a gun. Yeah. Why the fuck not? Alright, let us throw it to him. Are you serious at me? Are you freaking serious at me, bro? Oh. Oh, Nelly. Bam. I like how he kills in 2 shots. Alright, that's a cool idea. Let us get these hammer. And walk away. Are you serious? I'm gonna explode your heads. Alright, I get what to do now. Bomb. Alright, jump and then boom. I know what to do. Oh, really? Bam. Cassette unlocked. What was that? Can you give me that? Jesus Christ. Are you serious? I killed him in the fucking 3 million shots. Oh, this is nuts drug. Right. Alright. Hello. Oh, are you serious? I had to walk on the fucking way again. I'm tired, bro. I'm really tired. Alright, new high. Time 2 minutes and 53 seconds. 7 deaths. 10 kills. 88 accuracy. Headshot hit 20%. Rank 4 stars. Souls gained 10. Total souls 50. Alright, not bad. What the frick was? Oh, are you serious? It moves? Oh, click. I woke. I wake up, cold water, dogs again. Splinters in my head. Where am I? Roland's here. Rolandinho. He hopes. He says we leave. He says we don't have to come back to the docks again. He gives me a hit. Good hit. Good. Oh, and there's a 2 things to do. No, there left 1 thing to do. Oh, so spiffy. I feel it in my tongue and my throat and my hands and my feet and my ears and what? And I wake up, and you wake up. You're waking up 3 times, 4 times. Sorry for that, guys. How much time thumping in my ear? Music. I lock music. Dot is over here. Grammar. I look down, and there's splinters in my hand. Roland's gone. I die again. You died, and you're woken up because you had the drugs, yeah. I overdose again. You feel like an eagle, flying like an eagle. I wake. Why am keep saying woke? I wake up, hands wet, feet wet. Oh, so sweaty. Dogs get up in the living room. I need more ash, baby. I need more ash, Roland. I heard the music again. I heard yelling. The room fills up with cold water. I splinter and we all overdose again. And you woke up. Woke up? Yeah, woke up. I wake up, knocking at the door. Rolanda, are you here? Nope, I'm outside and fuck you ass. I don't wanna wait my life today. I don't wanna, can I? Oh, are you serious? I want to walk a break. Oh, yeah. Bam. Well, why aren't you dying? I thought there was you. I don't know what am I saying, but let us buy these. Alright. Buy a car. Buy a weapon from Karen. Karen. Hello, Karen. I want to buy this thing. Hey, to exit. Bye, weirdo. Alright. Where the candle guy goes? Ooh, nice fire. Right, we don't care that. Let's just start the mission. Sorry, mission. Alright, I mean, let's go. Wait a second. Are you? Yep. I need that. Right. Yeah. How can I? Ooh. 1 and a 2 and a explode. Wait, how am I looking? I'm looking like Flowey. Right, let's just go in and hey, who's at door? Oh shit. Ah! Ah! Oh, so spiffy. Alright, I'm gonna explode your hand. Hand? What's hand? Oh god, I burned it. Just doing that. Bam. There's a big guy, I guess, yeah? There he is. So, how many left? There is no way to get out. Whoa. I think so, I'm alive now. Hopefully, yeah, I can get on that guy, but not that guy. I think, yeah. Alright. Come over here. Bam. And now I need to choose. Oh, near me. Oh. You fucking piece of shit. shite. That wasn't easy at all. Right, let's get the nuts. Alright! Hooray! Hooray! I need that gun. First I'm gonna choke you guys out. And bam. And oh god. Yeah! 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 Oh god, I'm a knife thrower. Alright. Ooh, I have everything now. Alright, I guess you should go there. And a spiffkin. Bam, bam, bam. Right, let's die, little bitch. Oh shit! Oh! Are you serious, guys? Why are you letting me to die? Hey! How you doing? Alright, I'm gonna do that. Oh shit. Alright, and bam, and bam, and bam. And I need to get these knife. Bam, and bam. How knife thrower, man. Alright, let's just get 2 knives. And get up. How spiffy look? I'm a look. Oh shit. Bam. That's so cool. Did I destroy the ashes? Oh jeez, I'm laughing at things. Are you serious with me, bro? Oh god. Back again. Shady's back. I will add that song because that'll be light. Bam, bam, bam. Holy shit! Where did I go? Where do I go? Where do I go? Spiffy nuts. I'm done. Bam. Alright, can I? Oh yeah, I can. Bam. Oh jeez, a big Zulay. I don't care about these nuts anymore. Let it go. Let it go. I'm serious with you anymore. Bam! Die, bitch! You freaking ass bag and douche. Alright, I'm not using on you guys. Oh shit! Where did I? Whoa! You are dying fucking 5 million shots. Alright, I'm gonna kill ya and get these nuts and do that. Alright. Alright. Can I actually? Ooh. I'm ready for that. Yeah. Oh well, I'm almost wasn't ready for that. Oh jeez. Alright, you are done. A little. Okay. Alright. Let's just get. Did I forgot again? Are you serious at me, bro? I'm feeling bad for ya. Look at this guy's face. He's like a whistle. Whooshy doosh. Whooshy doosh, whooshy doo. Oh, I can actually do that. Can I explode your face, please? No, yes, I do. Right, I just get nothing because I want to murder him like an eagle. Alright, sorry for looking, you guys. I will do that level if you give me a chance. Ooh, Nelly. Right. Ah! And in the foot. Yes. Oh shit. Right, get my guns. Yes. What? What? If I didn't done that level, oh jeez, I didn't. Is that a new mission? Yes. Oh god, I was scared. And that was for this video. That's really good game though. Yeah, DeadBolt is a good game. If you wanna download this game for free, subscribe my channel and just add me on Skype. I will add my Skype to the description. Subscribe me, I guess, and yeah, you should really like that game, aren't you? Alright. Thank you guys for watching this episode. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed. And see ya. No, not yet. I'm gonna show you this level, how that level goes about, like that nuts and roll on pecan. Actually, you don't care that level, but that cool game. I'll play this level for ya guys. Alright. Oh! Spit him out. Yeah. Smoke weed every day. Oh no! Are you freaking serious? Jesus. Are you serious at me? Oh god dang it. Oh, I guess I should leave this episode here because it's too hard game. It's too hard. So hope you enjoyed and see you dudes say to the next video, but leave a like and subscribe and I hope you enjoy. Bye bye.